Such grace and poise. Alright, yo. So, welcome to Chloe's vlog. He doesn't want to get his camera out. So here we go. It's dark now, you probably can't see.
Wait, do you vlog?
Christine.
Just watch
Chloe.
Oh
and Aria. And we're back. Watching Caleb vlogging.
This is a vlog about Caleb vlogging. Oh. Hashtag distracted student.
Which tree is your favorite tree?
The one right next to Pride Rock up there.
That one?
There's like 10,000. I can't know what you're talking about.
No, it's that one.
Which one? The darker green one?
No, it's like
the green one.
It's got a good like texture to it.
Whoa!
Oh, don't film this, man. I love it.
Caleb, how many options do we have? Two. All right, we made it out to Kanarraville Falls, part 1. Taco.
Yeah, take it off. So dumb.
And I'm all yours.
All that you want, all that I
What happened? I don't know what happened. Taco mistake? I can't do it. I give up. I don't think so.
Smells like a vegetable. Like smell it. Does it smell like a vegetable?
Your face. You're like, please no.
Actually, wait. I have a really good video.
Can't think of it.
So let's see. Total count for things that fell in the water. 1, Caleb's phone. 2, Christine.
I fell in the water.
Anything else? Anything else?
Not yet.
Not worth it. So I realized something. We're not doing very good at the vlogging part. Yeah. I'm sort of slacking right now. I hope I don't fall.
Still be asking why and now when my mind's still broke. Do I even try now when I came so close? Yeah, I came so close. I done came so close. And I felt right now when I came so close. Soon you riding out of town saying bye to your folks. I done tell right now when I came so close. No one ever knows the things to do when something happens and you're left with nothing else to lose. I knew perfection was a sign you never had a clue. My Cinderella, but the shoes still never fit in you. Cause I just vibe with you well. No story left not to tell. Your name's still ringing a bell. Got no more things left to sell. I think it's now the time to turn the pages in the book. Cause you ain't blind, so why in hell won't you just take a look? See you writing things down just to take some notes. See you riding out of town saying bye to your folks. Still be asking why and now when my mind's still broke. Do I even try now when I came so close? Yeah, I came so close. I done came so close. And I felt right now when I came so close.
Where's Sora go?
She's taking pictures.
It's a revolution.